Looking to hire remote workers for QuickBooks Accountant? We, at Best Remote Workers, are a consulting firm based in India, offering a wide range of multitasking services in finance and accounting. We specialize in providing expert-level services across various functions, ensuring efficiency and accuracy at every step. Our team consists of highly skilled professionals with varying levels of experience, enabling us to cater to a wide range of client needs. Whether you require entry-level QuickBooks expertise or a more advanced level of service, we have the right team member for the job. Entry-level QuickBooks experts, $4 per hour. For clients needing basic QuickBooks data entry and general accounting assistance, our entry-level experts offer exceptional services at an affordable rate. They handle routine tasks swiftly and accurately, ensuring your bookkeeping is always up to date. Middle-level QuickBooks experts, $8 per hour. If you need a worker with moderate experience and a deeper understanding of QuickBooks, our middle-level experts provide higher-level support. These professionals bring a balance of speed and precision to help manage more complex financial tasks. Expert-level QuickBooks experts, $10 per hour. Our expert-level professionals are highly skilled and trained to tackle intricate accounting problems. With advanced knowledge of QuickBooks and finance, they are ready to handle any accounting challenge you throw their way, at an affordable price of just $5 per hour. We understand the importance of reliable and cost-effective services, which is why we offer these diverse levels of expertise to meet your needs. Additionally, we have a representative located in Texas, USA, available to sign legal contracts, ensuring your peace of mind when working with us. For more details or to discuss how we can assist you with your finance and accounting needs, visit our website at www.bestremoteworkers.com or connect with us directly at customer@bestremoteworkers.com. Let us help you streamline your operations and elevate your business with our remote data entry and accounting expertise.